1990. The automotive world answers to Japan and Germany. Toyota towers over the industry, Daimler-Benz and Honda hold the line, and Detroit still believes it owns the road. Through the 90s, the giants consolidate. Toyota's market value climbs relentlessly, while Ford and General Motors trade blows for the American crown. Then the 2008 crash. Valuations collapse. Detroit goes to the brink, and the old order cracks wide open. And out of that wreckage, a new name accelerates: Tesla. From a fragile startup to the most valuable automaker on Earth, rewriting every rule of the industry. By 2026, the podium belongs to electricity. Tesla leads, BYD surges out of China, and Toyota fights to defend a legacy built over a century. This was the race for the most valuable automotive brands in the world.